Welcome back. Now, like most viral applications, upviral does not have permanent free pricing. As of the recording of this video, you are going to see that upviral does have pricing after the 14-day trial. And as you can see, upgraded plans have specific aspects to them, one of them being upviral branding on the lower level plan. Now, you are going to want to note that both Zapier and webhooks only work on the upgraded plans. There is a monthly cost, however that cost reduces if you choose to make an annual payment. So for the sake of this course, we are going to start the trial with the middle tier or the business plan. Now, in order to set up the plan, you are going to need to have a payment method, or you're going to be using a PayPal account. We are now inside of upviral, and the account that we are using is older and has access to certain features that may or may not be available in your account. However, we will be focusing on the basics and the fundamentals of setting up viral campaigns, and we have more than enough in our account in order to do that. And one of the first things you're going to want to do is to set up your outgoing email. You're going to want to set up that email based on whether you want to have upviral send out the emails that notify your customers when they have won or how they're participating inside of your contest. Or you can use one of the other services such as Postmark, SendGrid, or AWS or Amazon SES services. Each of the services will allow you to test an email to determine how upviral is going to send the email. So we are going to send the test email. And then the email is now in our box. And typically you're going to be able to find the email inside of your box. Now, depending on which service provider you're going to be using, you may have to check the promotions tab. And if you don't see it there, you'll need to check your spam folder. And this is important because this is what your customer will be experiencing when they are getting emails from the viral system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.